So this is light blue boy.
Gotta move it a little bit closer to the nose out.
Yeah.
Hi.
They're getting wet. We had to put him up. It's raining.
Oh.
Just started.
Just did started. Where you getting wet? Where you getting wet? Tail. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Hi. Come here. What'd you smell? Oh boy. Stay away from the chair.
Oh.
Found himself. Hey.
Own time.
Hmm?
Another one on his own time.
Mm-hmm. Usually it's the female, so.
Mm-hmm.
Can't remember the last boy who was independent like this.
It's been a while.
Good boy. Good boy.
Came readily, but when he chose to.
He's like, no, there's not that much.
Very
interest."
readily, but only when it was his decision.
Good boy. Alright, let's turn you up and dry off your back a little bit. Grunt. Grunt.
Any eye contact?
A little bit, yeah. Relax. No struggle.
Tail is not tucked.
Mm-mm. Not at all.
Fairly relaxed.
Oh yeah, there he goes. Time. Yeah, he just chilled right out.
Hi, you forgive me?
Oh yeah. It's the wildest one yet.
Silly goose.
They do like laying on that
They do.
rug.
It is soft. Nice and soft and plush.
Tail down though.
Tucked.
Slightly tucked,
Mm-hmm.
but not tight.
Yeah.
He looks fairly relaxed, I'd say.
Time.
Good boy. Oh. You can't sleep on that. Sorry. Now sleep time. Draco, bye-bye. Come on. Come on. And get it. Come on. Come on. Come on.
We have a retriever. Of course, it's the straightest of all of them.
Gotta do it this way, huh? Okay.
Turn him around. You gotta have full focus.
There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Come on.
It's funny.
You funny loser is what you are. Good boy. Good boy. I have to come after it? I do, huh? Come on. You're hiding it, huh? You're silly. You're silly.
He's a funny puppy. Now you gotta hurt him.
Oh yes, it's hurt time. I didn't step in any poo-poo, so I didn't even go there. Second one, you've done that. One. He's pulling back on one.
I thought so. I'm glad you waited and did it again just to make sure he wasn't just pulling because it was his foot. I don't shake it again, see what he's doing. It's his time.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's not a being afraid, it's just,
I'd say he barely even reacted.
yeah, he
to
just looked at it and that's it. I mean, he
Hardly
just,
even
Only out
looked.
of
he turned his head, yeah, he just
Only very,
barely,
very
yeah,
slowly.
very, very slightly, like whatever.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna do this, I don't really care.
Yep.
There's no fear, no sound sensitivity involved, just, I'm not gonna do it.
Very few of them have had that in this one.
Yeah. Yeah, they're not sound sensitive, they're new environment sensitive and a little stranger sensitive, but Schitzen dog.
Get it. There you go, good boy.
All right, just drag it slowly by him and see if
Okay.
he'll chase you. Oh yeah. He likes to use his feet, doesn't he? He's a very footsie little guy. Okay. Backed up, jumped, went right back for it.
Mm-hmm.